Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites. Both accounts must be in the same organization or have explicit sharing enabled. Open Outlook on the desktop or Outlook on the web. You'll need access to settings. Ask the other person to grant you calendar permission or to add you as a delegate. This is the only supported way to see full details. Once they begin granting permissions, move to the account where you'll accept and configure the access. You now accept and configure the permission. In Desktop Outlook, go to File Account Settings, Delegate Access, or right-click the calendar, choose Permissions. In Outlook on the web, open Calendar, find the Share Invitation, and accept it. Make sure you select Can View All Details or Higher if you need full event information. Choose Editor only if you must modify events. Once done, add the shared calendar to your view. Pin or overlay it so it appears alongside your own calendar. You finish by refreshing Outlook and confirming the calendar displays with proper details. If changes don't appear, restart the app or sign out and back in to force a permissions sync. If events still show only as busy, make sure the other user granted can view all details or resend the delegate invite. Permission level is the common culprit. If sharing across tenants fails, contact your Exchange or tenant administrator to enable cross-tenant sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.